Migori oye! Migori oye! Jo Migori tibim! Jo Migori tiala! Ni the People's President Raila Amolo Odinga. Ni Deputy President Martha Wangari Karua. Ni Prime Minister Marwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Ni Jatelo Milone Wajakoya of the Roots Party. Anangi Martina Nyamadwa Wacho Winja. Unyalo Winja. Mokonga kele no mosmo asiaya. Jadimo kao mosmo asiaya. Wabende siaya wadwa timurani tichario alongo usiaya. Chon kanentie moya maraj maringe gwengo tieno. Kata jo chiende maringo go tieno. Tinigo nigi nya wa. Ewa na Orengo bilu ane nya wa. Adwa nugo ni Ruto nya wa. Gachagua. Apenjo Migori ka. Ingen kata chiki somo, and there are many lawyers here. Ke yudo ngato gija odi ingama dichuo tiude gija odi kokamai kati ngama dako tiudo ngato gichuori komiyo e mach beitere ka police itere ka police okitie kode mondi koreki dika police. I am a lawyer and take me on provocation. Kanga to donji odi to timoricho machalo kamano itie kode mondi. Ngato biro mokwalo kura marwa ngato kaodheri tongielo ni ngato kaodheri tongielo ni beilinga be unge Ruto kao dhiang maduong kumwa kikonye kuchepu kati wamo dhok so kwa mo omio kikuluor Raila Odinga menyalo mako higni 9 mobedo Prime Minister iluoro ang'o kanyang nyongo ne nyalo nindo nyayo to sani Governor iluoro ang'o to korengo nyatieng inyalo tweyo to sani an Governor iluoro ang'o omiyo jokanyana mwang'ni woguru oko wang'ni onge ringo yadimo ye onge ringo uye no onge ringo kata kineno police kikiringi. And I want to say this in English. Kindiki, you are serving under a constitution that was brought about by Raila Amolo Odinga. You are serving under a constitution that was brought by Martha Karua. You are serving under a constitution that was brought by Kalonzo Musyoka. In that constitution, you cannot give a directive to the police. The police are an independent commission. We want police to be taught lessons to know the law. Ka police oromo kodi kiko penji kipande ni police penji ni akanye kata police majalango penji Migori ni akanye watne ilma itio dang ni akure Migori untie the dollar against the shilling. The Kenyan shilling is in a free fall. People are hungry. A president that cannot save people from hunger is a useless president. A president that when there is banditry in Turkana, he cannot stop it. That president is useless. And I can tell you, we have seen many presidents We have even seen a main dada, Omio Ruto. We are telling you, we are not afraid of you. We are coming. We are coming. We are coming. We are coming. Jadi Mabiro. Come on.